First step of destroying a Lexus is to bring it to school. Look at my Lexus. You don't have one.
I don't care.
Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
Alright, okay, should I murder it?
Yeah. No. Another way to destroy a Lexus is to give it to your friend. Another way to destroy a Lexus is by cheese gratering it. Oh, it doesn't want to work, but I guess it's working somehow. Guess. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, another way is to prank your classmates.
Pranking my entire... Wait, you know those...
Oh. I hope you enjoyed this short video of how to destroy a Lexus IS 350 at school. This is Unlimited Craft signing out.